Okay, y'all, so I'm back with another video. Okay, what's up? So my name is Everlenia.Chenelle. For those who are new here, for those who have been here, what's up, y'all? Welcome back. Okay, so in this video, I'm not gonna be showing y'all how I achieve this look, but I am gonna be showing y'all how I do my eyebrows for my looks. Okay, so you know, before we get into the video though, go ahead and subscribe to the vibe, turn your notifications on, give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Okay, all right, y'all, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, what's up, y'all? So today I'm showing y'all, like I said, how to do my updated eyebrow routine. So first, of course, I'm gonna show y'all what y'all need to y'all eyebrows. You're gonna need like a little spoolie brush like this with the little eyebrow end tool on it. I got this from Morphe, which I like this one. And then I got my eyebrow pomade. I like to use pomade, but you can use eyeshadow, eye pencil, or you can use like the eyebrow powder. And then I just got me like a little flat brush like so to do my carving. I got some concealer, and this is in the shade Golden Honey. This is by NYX. The NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. And then I got some clear mascara by NK Makeup. So first things first, I brush up my eyebrows like so, and then I take the brush side of the brush, I dip it into the pomade, and then I start outlining my eyebrow like this. And I just normally go with my brow bone, you see? So I just normally, however like your brow bone is, I would just suggest following it if you like natural brows like me. I like natural brows, so. I do my outline first, and then I start to fill in my eyebrows with the pomade. And when it comes to like the inside of my eyebrow right here, I use like light strokes, and of course I do that vertically like so, to give it a more natural look. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all again on the other side. So dip into the pomade. No, I'm just saying, dip into the pomade, outline, you know, go with the flow of your brow bone, and don't worry about messing up. You know, if you mess up a little bit, we gonna clean it up. Okay, so don't even worry about that. Now, I don't like my eyebrows too thick. Some people like thicker eyebrows. Some people like fluffier eyebrows. Just do your eyebrows how you desire. Like, don't nobody, you know, what you like is what you like. Can't nobody tell you what to like and what not to like. So, do whatever makes your heart smile and whatever makes you happy. You feel me? Alright, so now y'all see how that look. Like right now, it look a little crazy. Bigs. I'm about to clean it up. So now we're gonna go in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. And I'm gonna use my little brush, and I'm just gonna conceal up under the to make my lines crispier. use the same concealer on the top and bottom. I know sometimes some people, they use like a lighter concealer on the bottom, and then they use like more skin toned on top of their brow. But me, I don't do all that. I just do what I think looks good to me. Yeah. That's what looks good to me. We're gonna do that again on the other side too. Your eyebrows should always line up like that at the end of your, y'all don't know what to really call it, but it's the outside of your eye. You feel me? It should really line up right there. And I should really know this because I went to cosmetology school, but you know, it should really line up with the outside of your eye like that. All right. So now that we've cleaned up our brows, now I take like a little fluffy brush, and what I do with like the fluffy brush, like you can take whatever size you want. I'm just gonna say, matter of fact, I'm gonna take, yeah, I'm just gonna take this little one, like if I can get it, dang. I'm just gonna take this one right here. So like a little fluffy brush and just like blend that concealer out, okay? Into your eye. And I will say, like, if you, because sometimes I just do my eyebrows and I don't do makeup and I just put on some lashes and go. But if you are doing that, then I would suggest using a more skin tone concealer and not like a highlighting concealer. Use one that matches your skin tone more. That way, you know, it looks more natural. Make sure you blend out the top too. Alright, cool. And so now I'm gonna take the clear mascara by the NK Makeup, and I'm just gonna put that like on my eyebrows to use as like a placeholder, like so, you know, to keep them in place. Which, I mean, I don't think your eyebrows really move, but I saw this trick and I liked how it looked. It also adds to me like, it just gives them a richer color, in my opinion, too. That's just my opinion. I could just be tweaking, but you know, that's just my opinion. Like that. voila. There you go. That's how I do my eyebrows. Okay, so I'm gonna do my makeup, then I'm gonna come back to y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. I did my makeup and stuff off camera, but I will say I made another video for that, okay, for this makeup look, because it's so cute. And then, so, but yeah, this is how I do my eyebrows, and this is how it came out, you know, with the final, like, with everything put together, so y'all can see, like, everything put together. So, yeah, with that being said, you know, don't forget to like, turn your notifications on, all that good stuff. Subscribe to the vibe, and don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms, which is also going to be linked down below. And I love y'all. I will talk to y'all later, okay? Love y'all. Bye.